Cassiter Surface Solutions Permanent Concrete Protection. How it works. Concrete damage that's not caused by structural issues or the quality of the material or the workmanship is generally caused by one of these three processes. Freeze-thaw cycling, which is very common in Canada and particularly in Alberta. That is, water getting into the concrete structure and freezing in the cold weather. This is the cause of a lot of microcracks and particularly spalling, commonly seen on pretty much all older driveways in Edmonton. Reaction of alkaline material with unreacted silica in the cement. Cracks formed by this kind of reaction have a pretty specific pattern shown in this picture. Or corrosion of the steel reinforcement bars, which can cause some serious damage and large cracks extending all the way to the surface. Fire can also be another major source of damage, which for obvious reasons is not the subject of this video. While concrete surfaces appear to be smooth, they in fact contain a large number of pores, a few nanometers to up to 100 microns in diameter. The binder in cement is primarily a product of the reaction between silica and calcium oxide. The unreacted calcium oxide is carried to the surface during the curing and drying processes. Therefore, there is a relatively high concentration of this material closer to the surface of the cured concrete. Freeze-thaw cycle is a common source of surface damage in areas with a cold climate. Water on the surface penetrates inside the concrete pores. When the temperature reaches low enough levels, this entrained water freezes and therefore expands inside the pores, leading to formation of cracks and spalling. Spalling concrete is a common problem where parts of the surface peels, breaks, or chips away. The water penetrating into the pores can carry with it dissolved alkaline components from other parts, which could react with amorphous silica present in the cement, causing swelling and building up of pressure inside the structure and resulting in cracking. This phenomenon is referred to as alkali-silica reaction. If the water inside the pores contains corrosive ions, for example from salts applied for de-icing, and these corrosive ions manage to reach the steel bars embedded in the structure, they can lead to oxidation of the iron. Iron expands significantly upon oxidation and builds up tremendous pressure inside the structure, leading to formation of relatively large cracks that extend all the way up to the surface. Luckily, if we can stop water from entering the concrete pore structure, all of these types of damages can be mitigated or eliminated. Our surface treatment involves two main mitigation strategies that once combined all but guarantee stopping the seepage of water and ions. Concrete densification is based on introducing silica sprayed as a suspension in water on the surface and into the pores to react with the free calcium oxide to convert it into calcium silicate hydrate, which is the primary binder material of cement. This reaction, once completed, not only strengthens the surface by converting non-binding fractions into the binder species, but also blocks some of the pores and reduces the water intake of the concrete. Introducing silanes, which can react with silicates and attach permanently to the concrete surface to form an extremely thin protective layer, renders the surface and inside the pores water repellent. This treatment also significantly reduces the likelihood of penetration of water into the pores and avoids what's known as weathering damage. At Cassiter Surface Solutions, we have combined these two types of treatments that are both relatively common in commercial concrete applications and brought them into the residential space. While either of these solutions may be adequate for most climates, our combined solution is tailor-made for the harsh Canadian winters. Both of these treatments have the advantages of being penetrative, meaning they affect down to a depth of 5 to 10 millimeters from the surface, and reactive, which means that they're extremely durable and don't simply peel off. These make the protection mechanically robust and permanent. For more information, please visit our website or get in touch via phone or email. Thank you.